Okay, angels, in your kits, you got 2 pieces of big paper. This is watercolor paper. We'll put that aside for now. And then of the 2 smaller pieces, we need the rectangular one. This one we're gonna use next week with our next project. So here we go. We're gonna work with this piece of paper here for our landscape drawing. And we need to get our sketch onto that paper. Now, I have my sketch here. I have this mountain scene with a tree and a mountain and a lake and a reflection and these rocks. And I didn't count my shapes, but one of the things we want to do is count our shapes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I count my rocks, I'm there. If I need to add something, I can always add a sun or a moon. Maybe I'll do a moon. But add a sun into my landscape, and that works to put some extra shapes into my space. So that works out really well. I could also add some clouds to it as well if that's something I needed. I have my drawing here, and of course, because there's a reflection, I need to add the same shape on the other side. But from here, I want to trace that onto the good paper. And normally in school we would use a light box, but I'm going to show you how to do that here in your own home. In our own houses, we don't have all the same things that we normally do at school. So we have to use what we've got. And I'm going to use my front door and the light that comes in it, see how bright that is, to do our tracing. Okay, so what we're going to do is take our drawing and our good paper, and the good paper goes on top, and you can see just holding it up to the light that my lines are visible through it. So if I hold this up, it helps to tape it there if you need to. But if I work, my sketch and my drawing will line up nicely. And with the hardest of the pencils I have, this is just a yellow number 2. It's also an HB, which you got in your kit. And then very carefully and slowly, I'm just going to trace over my sketch, making sure I get all of the details on it. When I return back to my desk, here I have my sketch and my good copy. It's a nice, clean drawing, simple lines. If I want to go back in and adjust my detail, that's what I need to do now with my pencils and erasers to make sure my drawing is perfect and ready to go for the next step.